It's day 3 of Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and we have to talk about passwords. They're your first line of defense. Here's the reality. Around 65% of people reuse the same password for everything across all of their sites and applications. If a hacker gets into one, they've got keys to everything, whether that's your email, payroll, maybe even your Netflix. Here's the good news. You can start fixing this today. You can start using a password manager, unique passwords, shoot for 12 characters and more, and maybe even mix in letters, numbers, anything you can to make the password more complex. Now, that's the DIY solution. Here at VanderNet, we take it a step further. We use password encryption and rotating passwords to make sure that no password stays the same for long. We also use role-based access to make sure employees only have access to what they need. Now, if you pair that with multi-factor authentication, hackers will hit a wall every time before they get access to your system.